Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today I've got a nice fragrance from Lattafa called Al Nashama. Beautiful box. I mean, this is just typical Lattafa. When they do it good. So just open the box, and in the inside you'll see the vessel that keeps the lovely juice inside. I just want to close this very neatly and nicely. Don't throw stuff. I just put them back very nice. Look at this beautiful bottle. I mean, the vessel is just amazing. It's just so stunning. Okay, let's check the juice. Sure, my nose is just running wild. Guys, notes is bergamot, spicy pink pepper, and aromatic clary sage. Middle notes is ripe plum, jasmine, and sharp black pepper. Now, not much bergamot I'm getting into it. I do get aromatic sage. The sage is just making it so nice. And then, of course, the plum and the jasmine just plays a beautiful role in this fragrance. And my nose is just running wild. It's just so nice. You get then Saffiano leather, amber, and patchouli and moss. The leather is not massive peak. Amber is there, but yes, that sage is just playing a beautiful role with the plum and the jasmine. I must be honest with you, it's just playing a beautiful role in this great fragrance. It's just freaking stunning. Guys, this is a beautiful fragrance. Longevity on this will definitely give you anywhere from 6 to 7 hours. Projection, it's going to be fair. It's not going to be massive. It is a nice toned scent. It's not in your face like burning your nose. It's a beautiful fragrance that when you smell it, it's just playing on all of those sensors in your nose, and everything just goes through receptors into your brain, and it just says, I am beautiful. And that's exactly what this fragrance does. It is stunning. Beautiful fragrance. You can use it any time of the day, definitely at work, definitely at any time at a date. Very nice to impress people. And of course, guys, Al Nashama is a dupe for Initio's Paragon, which makes it a very nice smell, of course, but it's just so bloody lovely fragrance. Only at Dupe District. Don't watch the movement, be part of it.